What if I told you there is a possibility you are not considering? The average Nigerian household spends 50 to 60% of its income on food. Most commercial farming systems are backed with fertilizer for improved production, thereby negatively impacting our health as we grow older. Land in major cities is now overpriced and overhyped, yet rural farmlands remain underdeveloped, undervalued, and underutilized. But what if the real road to lasting wealth, stability, and legacy lies not ahead of us, but beneath us, in the very land we already have, yet neglected? The hidden truth in plain sight is active engagement in agriculture, not just as hard labor, but agro-investment. Owning productive land, building food systems, and tapping into the most recession-proof and inflation-resistant asset of all time. While many professionals strive to build a life of comfort, career recognition, and eventual retirement, the script often overlook one of the most potent instruments of generational legacy: land. Not just land as a dormant asset, but land intentionally utilized for food production and the manufacturing of agro byproducts. In a nation like Nigeria, where food inflation averaged 30.6% in 2024 and over 70% of processed food inputs are imported, the professional who channels resources into agricultural production is not just investing, they are preserving health, sovereignty, and generational security.